Hi, Karina Gardner here, and I am so excited today to show you the Glyphs window or the Glyphs palette. This is just a quick lesson to show you a couple of things in Illustrator that maybe you haven't used before, you didn't even realize is there. So we're going to take a look at that. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know about two things. The first is my free webinar on my website at karinagardnercourses.com. It's called Make Money Doing Something Creative. If you've been wondering how designers or a designer like me makes money, I have some awesome strategies in there for you. So check that out. The second is Design Bootcamp is coming up. So make sure and check out the dates for the next one. I think you're going to love it. We have such a good time. It's only $17 and it is insanely good. It's like priceless, really, because I tell you all the things and we talk about lots of different strategies, the elements of a successful design career. And if you've been thinking about design, it's a great way to propel you. Okay. All right. Let's talk about the Glyphs palette. I've got an Illustrator, just regular workflow, everything set up artboard. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Window, and you don't see the glyphs on this main thing. You have to go to Type, and you will see the glyphs right there. Okay, so there's your glyphs, and you can see mine's attached over here. I have set up my workflow over here. So these are your glyphs. Now, here is the thing that is so wonderful about the glyphs window. Most of the time, if you go into Word or Pages or Photoshop, you can't see what all is in that typeface. And I don't have like the copyright memorized. Like I have no idea how to make it. Actually, I do know how to make that one. But there are lots of other ones I don't know that are there. Plus, there are also awesome things in certain fonts that you probably don't even know about. So Myriad Pro is the main font that Illustrator always comes up with. It's like your default font and it's pretty basic. But as you can see here, look at this. There are all sorts of accents in here. And if you come down, you can see it's got all these great, all the letters that need to be squished together so that they are clean lined. They've got those already set up for you. They've got other characters set up for you. Look at this. There are all these things in here that you didn't even know was in there, right? And it's hard to kind of figure out how to use them. But the wonderful thing is that if you come into your glyphs window, you can use them very easily. So I'm going to click on my type tool. I'm going to click a single time, okay? And then all you have to do is grab or double click on whatever letter you have here. I'm going to just make this bigger so that you guys can see it. There we go. And as long as you're on your type tool and you type on that, you can add letters to this that normally it would be really difficult to find. Okay? Pretty amazing, right? I design fonts, I design dingbats, and one of the things I like about this, especially when I have illustrated images like a dingbat in this, is I can go in and look at all the illustrated images very easily and choose the ones that I would like to use. So it is wonderful to have this. Okay, pretty easy. Window, type, glyphs. Go open it up and check it out. Make sure and go check out that free webinar or my next design bootcamp at karinagardnercourses.com, and I hope to see you soon.